Ever wondered why your smartphone battery drains so fast? Or perhaps you're curious about the latest advancements in battery technology? Well, this video will take you on a journey through the world of smartphone batteries, uncovering tips and tricks to make yours last longer, and exploring the cutting-edge tech that's set to revolutionize the way we power our devices. First, dive into the reasons why your smartphone battery might not be lasting as long as you'd like. It's no secret that our devices are getting more powerful and versatile every year, but this often comes at the expense of battery life. Heavy use of apps, bright screen settings, constant notifications, all these factors can drain your battery faster than you might think. But fear not, there are ways to combat this. One of the most effective is to manage your apps wisely. Keep an eye on the ones that are running in the background and draining your battery. Close them when not in use. Adjusting your screen brightness and turning off unnecessary notifications can also make a significant difference. Now, moving on to the exciting part, the future of smartphone batteries. Researchers are constantly working on innovative solutions to extend battery life. One of the most promising is graphene-based batteries. These have the potential to not only last longer, but also charge faster than traditional lithium-ion batteries. Imagine charging your phone fully in just a matter of minutes. That's the promise of graphene technology. Another exciting development is the concept of energy harvesting. This involves using ambient energy, such as light or heat, to charge your device. Imagine your smartphone battery recharging itself while you're out in the sun, or even when it's just sitting in your pocket. Sounds like science fiction, doesn't it? But it's closer to reality than you might think. To wrap up, let's summarize the main points. First, smartphone batteries can drain quickly due to a number of factors, including heavy app use, bright screen settings, and constant notifications. However, by managing your apps wisely, adjusting your screen brightness, and turning off unnecessary notifications, you can help your battery last longer. Looking to the future, the development of graphene-based batteries and energy harvesting technologies could dramatically improve smartphone battery life and charging times. So while today's smartphones may require frequent charging, the smartphones of tomorrow might just keep going and going. So, next time your smartphone battery drains faster than you'd like, remember these tips and keep an eye out for the exciting new technologies that are just around the corner. Who knows, the future of smartphone batteries might be closer than you think.